Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, what is the today's topic? Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good 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 morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good morning, sir.
everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, are you in school?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Huh?
Now you all mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Please, everyone, mute yourself.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. We should start our chapter, right? So, in the last class, I told you about the MSSS. Now, this time we are going for the revision of forms, reports, and queries, right? Is it clear? Forms, reports, and queries.
These are all data.
Yes, sir.
You all are able to.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Now, first of all, the question
Yes,
is
sir.
what query is? Who can answer? What query is? Anyone who can answer? What is query? Samriddhi. 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 दीप्ति सिंह सामने घाट. दीप्ति सिंह. Unmute and tell me the
Sir, may I
answer.
tell?
Who? Your name.
Sir, may I tell?
Name.
Sir, Atma Prakash.
Atma Prakash, tell. Atma Prakash.
Sir, may I give the answer?
Atma Prakash, where are you?
Yes, sir. A query is a request from data or information from tables.
Okay, it's Alankrita. Alankrita, where are you? Alankrita,
Yes, sir.
yes, tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is query?
Sir, query is a simple question.
No, good morning now.
That is based on, sir, that is based on a table.
Anyone who can give a more appropriate answer? Shivans, can you? No. So, as the name is suggesting you, query. Query is just asking question again and again, right? Asking question just to get the right answer. Thus, as in the case of the class, suppose you are in a physical classroom, teacher is telling you any of the topic. Till the topic is not clear, students they ask question again and again to make their doubts clear, right? Means to get the filtered data so that they can understand the topic well. The same way, query is nothing. It's a questions given on a database to get the desired piece of information from the complete database. Is it query, right? As in the case, suppose I am telling you the example. Suppose any of the database, if your school's database where you are going to pay your fee, there what they used to do, they put your registration number, and as per that registration number they are getting the data. Suppose they want to know about you people, what will they do? They will put the registration number, the detail of you will come, but the detail will be about you, right? For which month your fees is paid and all. If they want to know more about you, then what will they do? They will make a query over there, that registration number such and such, how they are, the father's name, mother's name, address, phone number. They are just fetching these data from the database, and after fetching this data from the database, whatever they are getting on their screen, that is the filtered information among from the, please mute yourself, from the database. And after getting the information, the relevant information they are getting from the complete database. This is your query, right? Next, if we go to the form, what is form? Beta, mute yourself. Who is there? Who is there? Now we will see.
Sir, Samriddhi Singh.
No, beta, no. Now we will talk about form. We will talk. Beta, mute yourself. I can see everyone. So, what form is? What is a form? Query is the filtered data from the database, right? Or we can say the required information which we have to get from the database, that is known as query. Now the next is forms. What is a form? Anyone? Aishwarya Agrawal? Aishwarya? Yes. Unmute and tell me the answer. What is a form? Aishwarya, are you able to hear me? Yes.
Can you repeat the
Voice is
question?
not clear.
Huh? Everyone is getting my voice clear? Everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Partharthi.
Sir, your voice is fluctuating.
Partharthi.
No, sir. It's clear.
Now mute
No,
yourself.
sir.
You
It's
all.
clear.
You all mute yourself. Partharthi. What is the form? Unmute yourself and give the answer. Part.
Sir, don't know.
Don't know. Then Natik. Natik 8C. Durga Kund. No. Mudit and Manasvi. Manasvi. What is
Sir,
the
may I tell?
A form is a specific form of paper in which users fill its information.
again, please?
The form is a specific piece of paper in which users fill his or her information.
Okay. Then Om Tiwari.
May I tell?
Om Tiwari. Samne. No need to say. Only you have to do this. I can find out. Durgesh Yadav. Durgesh Yadav.
Form allows us to add up update data in a table.
Very good. And Nyasa Singh, can you tell me what a form is?
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, form facilitates the process of entering data and table and queries.
For? Once again, please. Nyasa.
Yes, sir. Sir, forms facilitate the process of entering of data in tables or queries.
Yes, very good. And can it delete, update the data also? Nyasa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So form is nothing. It is interactive way of entering, manipulating, updating, deleting the data of any table or query. Is it? Why I am saying interactive way? Suppose you have given a form. Simply it is written name, class, section, everything. You have to fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that you will become bored. And if I have generated a form, then in that case, what will happen? Every time you feel fresh while you are entering the data inside your table, right? So it is an interactive way. Actually, it is nothing. It is a bridge between user and the database. Because with the help of form, we are filling the data inside our table, right? It may be in query also. Next, the third one is reports. Reports. Dipti Singh, Samne Ghat. What is reports? Dipti Singh, Samne Ghat. Samriddhi Singh. Samriddhi. Very good. To whom I am calling, they are switching off their video. Very good. Manish Maurya, who is, what's your name, beta? Log in with Manish Maurya. Unmute and tell.
Sir,
What's your name, Bitu?
sir, report.
What's your name first? Slow network. Then Harshita Motiramani.
Sir, report is an effective way to organize and summarize the data.
Organize and summarize the data. In which format it is?
Summarize the data for viewing and to printing.
To view and print. Atma Prakash.
Sir, report allows you to organize or summarize data in a printable form.
Printable format. As in the case, again I am telling you the example of your fee. fee counter software, there the data of each and every student has been given, but at the time of printing the data, if 100 fields are there, if we are going to print for a particular record, it will print the complete information containing all the 100 fields. So but I need a specific data like students registration number, name, father's name, contact number, and fee paid till the month. What we'll do, we will see it in a report format. What will we do? While generating our reports, we will select only these fields, and after selecting these fields, it will retrieve the data containing these fields, and that will be given in a printable manner, right? So this is your reports. Now students, it's your turn. One by one you can ask the questions, and about creating queries, forms, reports. This has been given in the videos you have seen so many times, right? Now one by one we will have a questionnaire session, so that we can enhance our knowledge, as well as we can have a good revision, right? One by one, those who are having the problem related to all the 4 chapters, only 3 chapters has been completed. I am going to start today. First we will start our app development, right? We will move towards the app development. Few things I will tell you about the app development, then you will ask your question. Wait beta. What is app? App is an application. App is an application. It is designed to do a specific job. As in the case nowadays, you are working with your school's app. All the information, it is given in the app. It's a short way of communication in which we can communicate with each other through audio, video, and combination of audio and video, so that we can get information from that particular app, right? So to do a specific job, as your school app, it is meant for study. You are studying through your app. Teachers, they are putting the data over there, and you are getting the data you are learning from your app. There are so many types of apps, right? There are so many types of apps, like Ritvik Tandon, can you tell me any of the type of app? Any type? Ritvik Tandon, are you able to listen?
For education? Yes, sir.
Education.
Yes, sir.
Or Manasvi, you are going to say something. Manasvi?
The desktop apps.
Desktop apps. And whoever? Saiba Imran? Any of the app?
Sir, web apps.
Web apps and
mobile apps.
Mobile apps, and it is completed. Desktop apps. What are desktop apps? The apps which runs only on desktop. Desktop may be laptop also. They run only on the desktop. It cannot be installed onto your phone. It cannot be. Wait. It cannot be installed onto your cell phone. Means whenever you are going to work on the app, you have to work on your laptop or desktop, right? As in the case, the example I am telling, Notepad, Paint, this you can work onto your desktop or laptop. You cannot work in it in your mobiles, right? Second, you told web apps. Web apps means the apps which works through web applications, means through websites. Your school app is a combination of your mobile as well as web app, right? And the mobile apps are those apps which runs only on mobile, as in the case your app which you have installed onto your mobile, that is mobile app. Its web version, if you are going to see on your laptop or desktop, right? Desktop or laptop apps may be like your Google Maps, right? Now its web mobile version also available. Instant messengers, these all the mobile as well as desktop. But in the case of messenger, if I am talking about messenger, you Durgesh, wait a minute, beta. Wait a minute, Durgesh. So in that case, you will see that, sir, we are working on messenger in our cell phone also. There we have not installed any app. It is working through your Facebook, right? And Facebook will log in through our web, right? Mobile apps, so many apps are there. Your game apps, your office apps, so many apps are there. Yes, Durgesh, what was the question? Durgesh?
There is WhatsApp web also in the
Yes,
laptop.
yes. Sorry.
There is WhatsApp web. The WhatsApp web.
Web, collection of web pages, that is web. Means to run your app you need internet connection, you have to log in on the website, that is, as in the case your Rediff mail, your Yahoo mail, these are the web apps. Gmail, web apps, means you have to first go to the website of wait. You have to go to the website of the Gmail, and you can be able to log in onto your app, right? Yes, Alankrita, what was the question?
Sir, like WhatsApp is a mobile app, and sir, we can open it on computer by WhatsApp web. So, sir, which type of app it is?
It is both one. It is having web version as well as mobile app. As your school's app, the best example, you are working daily in your school app, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Onto your cell phone, you install your app. The same you can log in through your website also of the school apps website. If you are in Durgakund, then the web address is sanmeendurgakund.edunextechnologies.com. Likewise, Samneghat, Sanmeen Samneghat, Sanmeen Sarayanandan, Sanmeen Knowledge Park. Likewise, right? Its web version is that one. And your application on your mobile is downloading from your App Store or Play Store. Is that clear? Now, we can classify our apps into two groups. What are the two groups? Classification of app in two different groups. What are the groups? Anyone? Nistha Jigran, where are you? Nistha. Irfa Hilmi. No one. Everyone's video is on.
May I?
Only you have to do this one. I can find out. Only this. Yes, Manish Maurya.
Sir, native apps and hybrid apps.
Native apps and hybrid apps. Right? What is native apps?
Hybrid apps.
Yes, what?
Yes, sir.
What is native apps?
Sir, mobile apps usually for sir, these are the apps used for operating system apps.
No. You are reading the line, but you have not read it completely. The apps which have been developed for a specific operating system.
Sir,
work on
sir, the pre-installed or pre-installed apps in mobile inbuilt.
Yes, that is native app. Means whatever pre-installed, they work on that particular operating system only. We cannot install it onto another operating system, right? They are the native apps. And the hybrid apps, Nimisha, hybrid apps.
Sir, these apps can be downloaded from the App Store on Play or Google Play Store.
Very good. Means they are not developed for any particular operating system. They can work on any of the operating system, right? And
yes, sir.
These are native and hybrid apps. These all explanation has been given in my earlier videos, right? Now we are moving towards the common apps. If we see common apps, one is the educational app, like your school app. It is an educational app because through that you are educating yourself by getting the e-contents from the teachers. You are educating yourself, right? So many apps are available in the Play Store or App Store. Through this also you can go for education. Is it? Next is social networking apps. Social networking apps, there are so many, you are knowing about it. Just for making a social network. Making social network means to make friends from your family or the older friends. They all come together.
So
just to,
like Facebook, WhatsApp.
like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. These are the social networking.
Twitter.
Twitter. Right.
YouTube.
Next is your entertainment app. Entertainment, just to entertain yourself. Like from your Jio, that is Savan Music, Gaana, right? Book My Show. These all are the entertainment.
Sony Live.
Yes. Mute. Yes, you all are right. These all are the entertainment apps. If we go for the e-commerce apps, all the banks apps, they are e-commerce. Most of the companies who are just to sell and buy products, they have their e-commerce apps like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. These all come under the category of e-commerce. Right? Next.
Yes, sir.
You can also develop your own app. Few app developing softwares are there through which you can develop your own app. Among that, I told you about AppyPie in my video. AppyPie, I told you can remember it. With the help of yes.
Sir, I can't get it.
Question.
Yes, ask.
Sir, how to download AppyPie on Android phone?
Actually, that is web version. No need to download it. Just onto your address bar, you write appypie.com. It will in front of you. From there, follow the steps and you can develop your own app. In that case, it asks to log in. Wait, Parth. Wait. Okay. It asks you to log in their website through your cell phone. Means whether iPhone, in your iPhone or Android, in which you are going to run your app, it asks, and you have to log in through your cell phone. After logging to your cell phone, whatever you are creating in web version, it will come to your cell phone and your app will run accordingly. Yes, Parth, what was the question?
Sir, after making our app, then it can't be published on Play Store.
Yes, it can be published.
Yes, sir.
For free, for limited access. Because in App Store, most of the apps you are getting, they are, you have to subscribe onto that one. First of all, you have to log into that app, right? The same way you can develop your own app and it will be free for everyone. But after few executions, it will ask for the registration on their App Store or Play Store, right? Then after registration, it will be launched forever. Anyone's question?
Sir, Kindle is which type of app?
Kindle is a device.
Hare?
Yes, anyone? Anyone? So, in the next last class, Saturday, there will again be a revisional class. That day, only questionnaire will be there. You must have your desired questions with you. One by one, you will ask the questions and we will discuss it to find out the answers of that questions, right? This was all for today. Prepare for your half yearly. You must get good marks. We will meet in the next class. Till then, Jai Hind.
Sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Who?
Bye,
Who?
sir.
Who? Take.
Thank you, sir.
Who are? Yes.
Sir, we have to write appy.com on Chrome.
Any Chrome, Microsoft Edge, wherever you want to start, it can.
Yes.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Yes, sir.
Prepare for your half yearly examination.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jai Hind.
Bye.